At one of Europe's most modern logistics centers, one thing matters above all: non-stop performance. Hermes Fulfilment in Haldensleben, Germany, a site that sets new standards. Across an area equivalent to 26 football pitches, up to 200 million parcels are handled every year. Here, logistics is not just a process, it is high-performance operation, second by second. To reliably process up to 400,000 parcels day by day, Hermes Fulfilment relies on machines from Mosca. In particular, on one of the most powerful systems in its class, the Mosca SoniXs TR Connect. Perfectly integrable into control systems for seamless coordination without manual intervention. The fully automatic double dispenser allows staff to refill consumables in a generous period of time. Unlike single dispensers, this technology prevents unplanned downtime and keeps the line running reliably even under full load. Optionally, performance data can be shared with the Mosca One service to detect anomalies at an early stage. Based on this, our service team can provide precise recommendations, such as cleaning the unit, as in this example. All key components of the strap path are directly accessible without tools, for efficient processes without extra steps.
And since welding with SoniXs ultrasonic technology produces almost no residue, the machine requires very little maintenance. This is another advantage that saves valuable resources in the hectic everyday logistics environment.
SoniXs ultrasonic technology operates without heat generation. This means no risk of burns, maximum safety for staff.
Du brauchst halt eine Maschine, wo du verlassen kannst. Und darum sind wir bei Mosca geblieben seit 1994. Und ich hoffe, das bleibt so.
Hermes Fulfilment and Mosca. Two companies that prove every day that modern logistics is about more than just moving goods. It's about precision and reliability, held together by the right technology.